Food Ladder is a not-for-profit organisation, and we create social enterprises to address food security in disadvantaged communities. We put hydroponic, solar-powered greenhouses into the centre of communities that enable communities to have a consistent annual supply of fresh, locally grown food. Unfortunately, in remote communities, the food is of a very poor quality and the cost is very high, and the impact on health for Aboriginal people is dire. So the Food Ladder itself creates jobs, education outcomes, training for disadvantaged people, and a social business. Food Ladder started working with Tata Consultancy Services at the end of 2019. Food Ladder was very fortunate to receive a grant through the Community Innovation Program, and that kick-started our work developing the Food Ladder online platform. The Food Ladder online platform that TCS has built ultimately does two things. For us, it aggregates all of the data in the back end, which shows us the impacts that we're having around consumption of healthy fruit and veg in communities, which is really critical data when we're going to donors and to governments and making a case for why Food Ladder is so important on the ground. And secondly, it houses all of our training documents, everything that a community would need to know from the moment that they break ground right through to the end when they have a sustainable social enterprise. Quite simply, it means that rather than having to physically go to all of the very remote communities, we're now able to engage with them remotely. We couldn't have known, of course, that at the time COVID was on the horizon. And had we not had TCS's support to build the online platform, I think we'd be in a very different position. It's allowed us to weather a pretty difficult time globally, and it's also allowed us to scale much faster. The wonderful thing about working with the TCS team has been the alignment that we both have around the Sustainable Development Goals, and that culture has really made the whole process incredibly easy. We're feeling really optimistic and looking forward to the future, and all of our communities have benefited as a result.